Before we can really start looking at Microsoft Access, we need to answer a question. What's a database? Well, officially, a database is a collection of information that has been organized in some fashion, making it easy to reference and retrieve. With the onset of the computer, databases have really exploded. If you take a look around you, you'll probably find that you're using several databases in your everyday life, whether you realize it or not. For example, the telephone book. Every time you look up a number, you're using a database or a data system that has been designed to help you reference telephone numbers based on last name. But last name's not enough. So you use the last name in combination with the first name to create a unique identifier for that information. You may also find yourself organizing recipe cards or a filing system to keep track of your finances. These are all forms of database. And as you begin designing a database inside Microsoft Access, most likely you'll be modeling it after a paper-based system that exists in the real tangible world. Another aspect of designing a database inside Microsoft Access is that Access is a relational database. So it's a little bit different than a paper-based system, and it involves a lot more planning. Over the next few lessons, we're going to be talking about how to plan and prepare for your database. If you're new to database design, it is absolutely essential that you watch and rewatch the first few movies in this series in order to get a handle on the preparation and planning stages before you ever touch Microsoft Access. If you're an experienced database designer, you may already have a system that works for you. That's great. I would still encourage you to review the first few sections and make sure that your design is whole before you begin working inside the application. Well, without any further ado, let's start looking at the process behind building a database.